It happens so quietly you barely notice it at first. A small compromise here, a silenced opinion there. You become a collection of roles you play for others. The dependable colleague, the supportive friend, the perfect partner. In the constant effort to please everyone, to meet every expectation placed upon you, the sound of your own voice begins to fade. You start to feel like a stranger in your own life, looking in the mirror and wondering who you're looking at. But you're not truly lost. You're just buried under the weight of shoulds and have-tos. The real you, with all your unique passions and quiet desires, hasn't vanished. It's simply been covered, layer by layer, by the noise of the outside world. It's waiting patiently beneath the surface, ready to be rediscovered. So, take time to listen to yourself again. In the quiet moments, when no one is asking anything of you, what whispers emerge? What makes your heart beat a little faster? What makes you feel truly, undeniably alive? What brings a sense of deep, unwavering peace to your soul? Is it the feeling of sunlight on your skin, the scent of rain on pavement, or the melody of a forgotten song? These aren't just fleeting pleasures, they are signposts, guiding you back to your authentic self. Begin the practice of trusting that inner compass. Start saying a gentle, firm no to things that drain your energy, that feel like a performance, and say a resounding yes to the small rituals that feel like coming home. That first cup of tea in silence, a walk without a destination, 5 minutes spent just breathing. The real you has always been there, a constant, steady presence just waiting for your attention. This journey isn't about becoming someone new. It's about unbecoming everything that isn't you, so you can be who you were meant to be all along. You don't need to reinvent yourself. You just need to return to yourself. Welcome home.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.